Mangoes! The time has finally come to publish our first game, this awesome obby course, to the Jamango webpage and open it up for players around the world to join and test their parkour skills. In this video, you'll learn how to get your game set up, play with friends, and share it with the wider Jamango community. The first step in making our world feel official is by filling out some important info. When we press E to open up the world settings menu, we can edit the title of your game, which is the names that players will see on the Jamango website, so make it clear, catchy, and fun. If you've made or used props to create a themed obby course, like our sky one here, you could name it something like Climb to the Skies. The thumbnail is the image that appears with the title. A simple way to draw players into your game is by using screenshots of yourself or other players playing your game. Or for your obby course, I might take a screenshot while flying around to capture all the obstacles. You could also use other software to add text and brighten up the colors, but that's up to you to decide. To upload your thumbnail, you simply save the image to your device and click Add Thumbnail. If you want to go one step further to make your game really stand out, you can also customize the loading screen for when players first join your game. Here, you can enter a title, a short description or tagline explaining your game, and also upload your thumbnail or a new image. This is completely optional though, so it's up to you whether you want to include this or not. Next, we can add some tags to help people find our game. If people want to be playing obby courses, for example, they'll search for games tagged with obby, so it makes sense for us to add this to our world. I'll also add a tag to describe the theme of the obby, which I'll put as sky, but obby is the main one here. Some other tags you might consider would be easy, hard, multiplayer, and depending on the theme of your world, something like forest, lava, snow, or magical. We have some final settings that we can tweak here. Firstly, Remix allows other players to duplicate your world and learn from your models and scripts. And then the max player count is just to limit how many players can be in one of your game lobbies at once. I'll also decide to turn off character collisions, since it might get a bit annoying if you're trying to make a jump but there's someone standing in the way. But hey, if you like trolling, feel free to leave this enabled. So with all of that, we can press publish, and now people will be able to create and join lobbies to test out your obby game. You can either copy this link and send it out to your friends, or to search for your game on the Jamango website, you can click Discover at the top and search for the name of your game. Here, you'll be able to see how many people have played and liked your game, and if it gets popular enough, your game might even be featured on the homepage. So I recommend that you message some people and get a group playtest together going in your obby. It's such a rush to have people play your game for the first time, and they might be able to give you some ideas of how to update your game in the future. To find more people to share your project with, you can also use the Creator Logs channel over on our Discord server. But for now, congratulations on completing your first Jamango game, and I hope you learned a lot throughout this video series. To get more involved with the Jamango community, you can join our Discord with the link in the description, or even start making YouTube videos or TikToks showcasing your awesome projects. So thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for future game tutorials on this channel.